Some questions were regarding vertigo. We had a couple of questions like, is there a permanent solution for vertigo? There was one more question where the patient's mother, whenever she lies down, she gets spinning sensation of her head. But when she is walking or talking or getting up from the bed, she has no such problem. And the last question was, there was hearing loss as well as ear discharge, and along with that the patient had vertigo. Now see, I will address all the three questions. The last question regarding you having ear discharge, hearing loss, and then the spinning sensation of the head. This is clearly a case in which the ear infection is trying to extend inside the ear, that is further inside towards the brain or towards the inner ear. So that means you need to immediately go to your ENT surgeon or your ENT specialist. He has to look into the ear and find out the extent of the disease. Sometimes he might ask for a CT scan or something, but most importantly, surgery will be the solution for such a case when there is ear discharge, hearing loss, and associated vertigo. Now the second thing is when the patient's mother, when she is lying down, she is getting this spinning sensation. So spinning sensation, like you feel that the whole thing is revolving or you are revolving. So this occurs for a momentary period in these cases, in that case of my patient. Momentary means for 10-12 seconds and then it will settle down. It occurs as and when you turn your head in a jerky fashion or in a sudden fashion, or you lie down or you get up from the bed. In such certain scenarios, you get this sudden spinning sensation, lasts for a few seconds and then it settles down. So this is something called BPPV, benign paroxysmal positional vertigo. What happens in this case is the ear, which is important for your balance as well as hearing, there are certain small calcium crystals inside which get dislodged from their normal position. So they get dislodged from their normal position and they come to lie in the pathway of some fluids. So when you turn your head, these fluids have to move in a seamless manner. If there is any obstruction to their movement, then this causes this disturbance in the form of vertigo. So if the fluids are moving in a seamless manner, you won't have vertigo, like when you get up from the bed, when you turn your head in a sudden fashion, or you turn back and see who's calling you. In these cases, the fluids have to move in a seamless manner. However, if the calcium crystals are in the way of the fluids, then this can cause vertigo. So in BPPV, you have certain special exercises. If you do these special exercises, the calcium crystals will go back to their destined place. So these are usually shown to you by a doctor. There are two types of exercises, one which you can do on your own, the other which the doctor performs on you. There are two such exercises. The one that the doctor performs on you has to be done in a clinical setup. In the presence of a doctor, he will hold your head, he will turn your head in different manner. Sometimes the vertigo might occur, but eventually the calcium crystals will go back into their place. Then there are a special category of exercises called Brand-Daroff exercises and a few more exercises where the doctor demonstrates the exercise to you in his clinic, and then you can go back home and you can do these exercises yourself. Both these exercises are effective, but the only thing you need to note is that once you have this calcium crystal problem called the BPPV, there are chances of recurrence. And medicines can only temporarily subside the sensation. The permanent cure for BPPV are these exercises which will reposition the calcium in its usual place. So even after the calcium crystals get repositioned, you have to be careful. You have to avoid those directions or turning in those directions which used to trigger vertigo for you. You have to be careful when you're alone and when you're going to places where you might have problems like vertigo. So you just have to remember that vertigo is a problem, it's a symptom. It can be due to many reasons. It can be reasons in the ear, it can be reasons with regards to your vision, with regards to the functioning of your brain and spinal cord. So when it is with regards to the ear, the vertigo will be in the form of a spinning sensation. And whenever such a vertigo occurs, if you get a proper ENT consult, there will be a lasting solution for it. Do not hesitate.